Hi! In front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for remove option at the top to show. When it does, you need to drag your search bar on top of it. And when the search bar turns see-through, let go. You can also hold your device's screen, click on Home Editor, then hold your search bar and do exactly the same. Lastly, tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!